In our latest version of the Counos Mobile Wallet, we not only added new features and capabilities, but also added support for new tokens and coins. One of the most important additions to the latest version of the Counos Mobile Wallet is the adding of Ethereum tokens or ERC20 tokens. All major Ethereum tokens are supported by this crypto wallet. Users can now use this wallet for all of the most important ERC20 tokens and enjoy their advantages. Some of the other tokens that are supported by this crypto wallet are the tokens based on the TRC20 standard or otherwise known as TRON tokens. Now, some of the major TRON, TRX tokens will be supported and users are able to take advantage of their benefits. Among the most important TRON tokens supported by this wallet we can refer to WINK and even more importantly USDT TRON. This cryptocurrency is one of the coins offered by the Swiss-based Counos platform. Counos H has been designed based on the SHA-256 algorithm. The total number of coins that can be offered in the network of CCH are 18,888,888. Users can use Counos Mobile Wallet to send, receive, and store Counos H coins. Ripple, or XRP, is among the top-rated and the most prominent cryptocurrencies in the market, and now Counos Wallet users can send and receive this coin using this mobile wallet. Other than the previously mentioned PIN code feature, the general safety and security of the wallet has increased greatly, making it a really safe choice for storing cryptos and making transactions.